kind brothers and sisters, and my dear friends. On the occasion of the 74th Independence Day, let's all jointly say aloud, we are proud to say, we are Indians, we love India and we want it to be free forever and ever. Let's greet each other. Happy Independence Day. सबको स्वतंत्रता दिवस का शुभकामनाएं. Let it reverberate in our motherland. At this juncture, let's salute to the sacrifices of the great freedom fighters and the soldiers who made the dream of our independent India a reality. And at the same time, a big salute to the COVID-19 warriors. They are doing a great lot to stop the spread of the virus, even at the risk of their lives. जय 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 प्रिय भारत जनयित्री दिव्यदात्री. जय 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 प्रिय भारत जनयित्री दिव्यदात्री. जय 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 शतसहस्र नर नारी हृदय नेत्री. Like this, when we hear our national songs, patriotic songs of the national anthem, the warmth of our Mother India's love flows through our nerves. Who is our Mother India? It is a representation, the embodiment of our unity. When a difficult situation arises, the feeling of oneness makes us survive. It is the real spirit, our Mother India, that is the unity. Let me ask you a simple question. Are you feeling that warmth during this pandemic? Are you feeling that you are not alone? No, not at all. No neighbors, no friends, no relatives, no one. This COVID-19 brought us to the verge of the state of loneliness. Loneliness is worse than any other disease. No one should be segregated from our society. So, the aim of independent India, where is it? So I request my elders to do something to stop this segregation. Stay home, stay safe is a very highlighted slogan in this pandemic. When they are staying home, are they provided with enough food and basic needs? During this lockdown, nearly 15 crore people lost their employment and salary cutting for many others. After getting independence, we have seen progress of our country in many spheres of life. We are competing with other countries in technical aspects. Even then, in this lockdown, it made the middle class society into utter crisis. And India, which is neither rich nor poor country, by having more number of middle class people than the rich and the poor. This is the class with the worst heat, and it is a witness for the aftermath of the epidemics. So, I humbly feel that middle class also should be taken into consideration. విశాల భారతదేశం మనది హిమాలయాలకు నిలయమిది. ఇలాంటి దేశంలో ప్రజలంతా విశాల హృదయంతో మెలగాలి. We proudly call ourselves as free Indians. We proudly say we are developing. That every citizen of India having the equal right to develop. Every field is having equal importance. To my little mind, I humbly feel that the most important thing is developing agriculture, because everyone will get food. In these type of situations, infrastructure and industry should be given second importance. This is the time for every citizen of India to understand that united we stand, divided we fall. In 1757, East India Company defeated the last Nawab of Bengal in the Battle of Plassey. This became the start and the beginning of the British rule in India. British were able to take control of India because India was not united, and it signed many treaties and the trading alliances with many of the independent states which made up India, and they offered the local princes in charge of various parts of India. These local princes were effective at maintaining the British rule in India and gained much lot from being loyal to British. In the time of British rule, the economic growth of India was very low, and there was a food shortage because cash crops were grown in order to send to Britain. This severe famine during 1772 to 1947 caused nearly 35 million deaths. This huge number is just half more than the number of deaths which happened in World War II. So at this pandemic situation, when the people lost their economy, the government should take care by providing every Indian sufficient food. Otherwise, the situation which happened in the British rule may come again. Our India, which have more number of and very great scientists, great poets, great economists, great academicians, and we are great in all. ഇത്രയും മനോഹരമായ മഹത്തായ ഈ രാജ്യത്ത് ജനിച്ച നമുക്കേവർക്കും കോപം, പക, ദ്വേഷം എന്നിവയെല്ലാം ഉപേക്ഷിച്ച് സ്നേഹമെന്ന പതാകമുയർത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് മുമ്പോട്ട് പോകാം. ത്യാഗം എന്ന ആയുധം കൊണ്ട് ശത്രുക്കളെ ജയിക്കാം. കൂലികൾ, കൃഷിക്കാർ, മേധാവികൾ എന്നിങ്ങനെ നാനാതരത്തിലുള്ള പൗരന്മാരടങ്ങുന്ന നമ്മുടെ പവിത്രമായ ദേശത്ത് നമുക്കെല്ലാവർക്കും ഒറ്റക്കെട്ടായി പുരോഗതിയുടെ മാർഗത്തിലൂടെ മുമ്പോട്ട് പോകാം. അനാരോഗ്യവും നിരക്ഷരതയും അസമത്വവും ഇല്ലാതാക്കാം. ജനാധിപത്യത്തെ രക്ഷിക്കാം. हमारा देश महान है, हमारा संस्कृति महत्वपूर्ण है. इसीलिए मेरे दोस्तों, नहीं समीक्षी मसिकर तुम्हारा प्रण लुटे निकर, भले ही जाए जन बिकर, रुको नहीं झुको नहीं, बड़े चलो. जय हिंद, जय भारत. वंदे मातरम सुप्रजोत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुप्रदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं.
Good. Attention! Practice. Attention! अब आइए और झंडा लहराइए.
గౌరవనీయులైన డైరెక్టర్ సార్కి, ప్రధాన ఉపాధ్యాయులు వారికి, నా తోటి ఉపాధ్యాయులకు, తల్లిదండ్రులకు మరియు నా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు 74వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈరోజు జరుపుకుంటున్న మనం ఈ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవం ఎందరో మహానుభావుల త్యాగఫలం. ఈ పుణ్యభూమిలో జన్మించడం మన అదృష్టంగా భావిస్తున్నాం. ఎందరో త్యాగమూర్తులు, మహాత్మా గాంధీ, సుభాష్ చంద్రబోస్, వీరందరూ కూడా వారి జీవితాలను త్యాగం చేసి మనకు స్వాతంత్రాన్ని తీసుకొచ్చారు. కాబట్టి ఈ విషయాన్ని మనం అందరం గుర్తుపెట్టుకుని మనమందరం కూడా నీ వంతు నీవు కృషి చేసి మన దేశభక్తి కొరకు నీ వంతు కృషి చేయాలన్నది మా ఉద్దేశం. జై హింద్, జై భారత్.
Teachers, parents, elders, and my dear loving children, all of you know that Independence Day is a special occasion to us. First of all, wish you happy Independence Day to all. Independence Day is a national festival. On 15th August 1947, India got freedom. From 1947 onwards, every year we host the national day. Before 1947, India is ruled by British government. Our great national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Allur Sitaram Raju, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, and others sacrificed their lives and to get freedom from British rule. Independence means freedom. On the earth, every living thing wants freedom. National Fest we celebrate every year. Schools, offices, colleges, and distribute sweets also. We host the national flag. National flag designed by Pingali Venkaya Babu. National flag has 3 colors: saffron, white, green. Saffron stands for sacrifice, white stands for peace, green stands for prosperity. In the middle, Ashok Chakra in blue color. It has 24 strokes in it. Today, our country is faced a lot of problems like coronavirus, border affairs, etc. All of you know we fight with coronavirus. Necessary sanitary methods, maintain social distance, then we eliminate the coronavirus. Next, Independence Day సందర్భంగా మనం జెండాను ఎగరేసుకుంటున్నాం కదా. మరి ఐఎమ్ ప్రౌడ్ టు బి అన్ ఇండియన్. మనం భారతీయులుగా జన్మించడం చాలా అదృష్టం. కరోనా వైరస్ పరిస్థితుల్లో మనకి సేవలు అందిస్తున్న డాక్టర్స్కు, పోలీసులకు, అందులో పేరున ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి సహాయం అందిస్తున్న వారికి మన ధన్యవాదాలు. అలాగే మన దేశాన్ని కాపాడుతున్న సోల్జర్స్, సైనికులకు మనం ముందుగా వారికి సెల్యూట్ చేసి వారిని గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. వారినే కాదు, వారి యొక్క తల్లిదండ్రులను కూడా మనం ఈ సమయంలో గుర్తు చేసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకంటే మన కోసం వాళ్ళు ప్రాణాలు ఎదురొట్టి మన కోసం వాళ్ళు మొత్తం ప్రాణాన్ని పణంగా పెట్టి మనల్ని రక్షిస్తున్నారు. కాబట్టి అటువంటి పొజిషన్కి వెళ్తారని తెలుసున్నా కూడా తల్లిదండ్రులు పంపుతున్నారు చూడండి, వాళ్ళకి మనం పాదాభివందనం చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ మన దేశాన్ని స్వాతంత్రం తెచ్చే ఎంతో అభివృద్ధి చెందుతుంది. కానీ అటువంటి వాళ్ళని కూడా మనం ఈ సమయంలో గుర్తు చేసుకోవడం వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో పిల్లలందరూ బాగా చదువుకుని దేశ సేవ కోసం కష్టపడాలి. మీ తల్లిదండ్రులను గౌరవించాలి, మంచి పేరు ప్రఖ్యాతులు తీసుకురావాలి. ఐ హోప్ యువర్ కోఆపరేషన్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. లెట్ us grow new. జై హింద్, జై భారత్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ గివింగ్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ.
అందరికీ శుభోదయం. ముందుగా డైరెక్టర్ సార్కి, ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయుల వారికి, నా తోటి ఉపాధ్యాయులకు, నా ప్రియతమ పిల్లలకు మరియు వారి యొక్క తల్లిదండ్రులకు 74వ స్వతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. 1947 ఆగస్టు 15న మనకు స్వాతంత్ర్యం వచ్చింది. స్వాతంత్ర్యం రాకముందు మన దేశాన్ని బ్రిటిష్ వారు పరిపాలిస్తూ ఉండేవారు. వారు మన దేశానికి వర్తక వ్యాపారాల నిమిత్తం వచ్చారు. ఇక్కడ సంపదను వారి దేశాలకు తరలించుకుపోయేవారు. అది చూసి భారతీయులు సహించలేక ఎన్నో పోరాటాలు చేశారు. ఎంతోమంది వారి ప్రాణాలను అర్పించారు. చివరికి గాంధీజీ నేతృత్వంలో శాంతి అహింస అనే ఆయుధంతో బ్రిటిష్ వారిపైన పోరాడి మనకి స్వాతంత్రం తీసుకువచ్చారు. ఈనాడు మన దేశం అగ్రరాజ్యాలతో సమానంగా అన్ని దేశాల యొక్క గౌరవమానములు అందుకుంటూ ముందుకు దూసుకు వెళ్తుంది. కులాలు వేరైనా, భాషలు వేరైనా, మతాలు వేరైనా మనమంతా భారతీయులం, మనకి భారతదేశం అని సగర్వంగా చెప్పుకొని మన జాతీయ జెండాకి సెల్యూట్ చేసి మన జాతి గౌరవాన్ని చాటుదాం. ఈనాడు యావత్ ప్రపంచమంతా కరోనా అనే భయంకరమైన వ్యాధి వణికించేస్తుంది. అయినప్పటికీ మనం ఏమాత్రం ధైర్యం కోల్పోకుండా ముందడుగు వేద్దాం. భౌతిక దూరం పాటిస్తూ స్వచ్ఛందంగా అందరం మంచి ఆహారం తీసుకుంటూ తద్వారా ఆరోగ్యాన్ని పెంపొందించుకుందాం. త్వరలోనే మనందరం కలుస్తామని ఆశిస్తూ జై హింద్, జై భారత్.
आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय, सम्मानित शिक्षक, अभिभावक एवं साथियों, स्वतंत्र दिवस का इस पावन अवसर पर अपने विचार व्यक्त करने की सुअवसर प्राप्त कर मुझे हर्ष की अनुभूति हो रही है। यह हमारा 74वां स्वतंत्र दिवस का समारोह है। आज से ठीक 74 से पूर्व हमें आजादी मिली। आजादी के संघर्ष की गाथा बहुत बड़ी है, जिसका वर्णन एक दिन में नहीं हो सकते हैं। हर भारतीय के लिए स्वतंत्र दिवस का जीवन बहुत महत्व हो रखता है। आज से ठीक 74 से पूर्व हम पर अंग्रेजों की शासन था। अंग्रेजों भारत में व्यापार के बहाने के लिए आए और वे कुछ सब अपने सब कुछ आधीन कर लिया। फिर हम अपने वीर योद्धाओं के कई लड़ाई के बाद हमको 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमको स्वतंत्रता मिली। इस दिन के कारण हम इस दिन झंडा फहराते हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत। అదిగదిగో ఆకాశాన ఎగురుతోంది రాజస్థాన, అదిగదిగో ఆకాశాన ఎగురుతోంది రాజస్థాన, జాతి గౌరవాన్ని చాటుము వందల జెండా, జాతి గౌరవాన్ని చాటుము వందల జెండా, భరత మాతకి చాటు ముచ్చగాల నిండా, భరత మాత కీర్తి చాట ముచ్చగాల నిండా, అదిగదిగో ఆకాశాన ఎగురుతోంది రాజస్థాన, అదిగదిగో ఆకాశాన ఎగురుతోంది రాజస్థాన, జై జవాను జై కిసాన్ చేయి కలిపి, జై జవాను జై కిసాన్ చేయి కలిపి, సైమన్ గో బ్యాక్ అంటూ తెల్లదొరను నిలిపి, సైమన్ గో బ్యాక్ అంటూ తెల్లదరను నిలిపి అదిగదిగో ఆకాశాన ఎగురుతోంది రాజసాన అదిగదిగో ఆకాశాన తోంది రాజసాన దండయాత్ర చేసి శాంతి దండయాత్ర చేసి దండియాత్ర చేసి శాంతి దండయాత్ర చేసి అండగా నిలిచి గెలిచిన త్రివర్ణాల పతాక అండగా నిలిచి గెలిచిన త్రివర్ణాల పతాక అదిగదిగో ఆకాశాన ఎగురుతోంది రాజసాన అదిగదిగో ఆకాశాన ఎగురుతోంది రాజసాన ప్రతి పౌరుడు వీరుడుగా అడుగు ముందుకేసి ప్రతి పౌరుడు వీరుడుగా అడుగు ముందుకేసి జాతి పిత గాంధీజీ శాంతి బాట నడిచి జాతి పిత గాంధీజీ శాంతి బాట నడిచి అదిగదిగో ఆకాశాన ఎగురుతోంది రాజసాన అదిగదిగో ఆకాశాన రాజసాన గుండెకు గుండెను ఇచ్చి నిండు ప్రాణములు ఇచ్చి గుండెకు గుండెను ఇచ్చి నిండు ప్రాణములు ఇచ్చి సత్యమేవ జయతే అని చాచిన మూవన్న జెండా సత్యమేవ జయతే అని తెచ్చిన మూవన్న జెండా అదిగదిగో ఆకాశాన ఎగురుతోంది రాజసాన అదిగదిగో ఆకాశాన ఎగురుతోంది రాజసాన
At this solemn occasion, paying tribute to my motherland, paying homage to all the freedom fighters, giving salute to our soldiers and also COVID-19 warriors, bowing my head towards the elders, dignitaries and the national leaders, showering my blessings on my dear loving ones. I extend my warm greetings of independence of our great nation. At this juncture, the never forgotten day of the history, to celebrate this occasion, you are there and I am here. And when I look into the empty assembly ground, my eyes are wet. I do remember the yesterdays. Those were the years you geared up, enthused for the momentous occasion. Those were the years you took promise to work for the country and also bring progress for our country, to take the oath for working diligently and also in order to follow the path of righteousness. My dear loving kids, I do believe that 75th Independence Day we will be celebrating with double enthusiasm. The chunk of sweet that we have distributed during the occasion of Independence Day is just that might have sweetened your mouth for a few moments. But the sweetness of that sweet at that particular, that solemn occasion might have filled your hearts with patriotism that lifelong. So my dear loving ones, we Indians are known for endurance, bravery, sacrifice and determination. Above all, the feeling of oneness. That is our ancestors passed on to us. My dear loving kids, today we are living in a world. All are lost their hope. COVID-19 brought us into that situation. But we are going to overcome. We should believe that. Today the worst affected field are economic and social networks. But we are going to overcome it. And the border problems also rising up. And we are living at the verge of uncertainty. We don't know what we are going to do. But believe that we are having the courage. We are having the wisdom to overcome any situation. All the crises are opportunities for great reform. That only our ancestors taught us. So my dear loving ones, you see how our elders are coming together and going to make a nation, harmonious nation with prosperity and peace. And my dear kids, these are opportunities for you. These all give you courage as well as wisdom to tackle any situation in the future. Today, we Indians are not lagging behind in the military equipment. And above all, we are having the wisdom to tackle the difficult crisis. And we do believe that we can overcome all the situations. So, today, my dear loving ones, you are not supposed to worry about anything. We are having the feeling of oneness. Then who can defeat us? We are having the bravery, we are having the wisdom to tackle the things. Then what can defeat us? But we should remember the great poet Rabindranath Tagore here. If you want to cross the sea, you can't cross it if you just stand and stare at it. So, you will be seeing our great leaders, how they are going to solve it, and that will be a rare experience for you, and that will be an opportunity for you in your future. Our freedom strugglers, they have brought a lot of wisdom to us. And the long freedom struggle of India, that we have got with the sacrifices of many people, we have got wisdom from that to face any situation. Those are the moments that all the people fought in different ways, different movements, like Quit India movement led by Congress, Indian National Army movement led by Subhash Chandra Bose, and emancipation of freedom for the women led by feminists like Sarojini Naidu, and Dalit struggle for social justice, and above all, the war by pen by many literature, poetries and speeches through great writers and poets like Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Subramanya Bharati, and many. So, my dear kids, my dear loving ones, so through all these struggles, all these moments, we got a lot of wisdom that to survive any occasion. And coming to agriculture today, before independence, our India faced lot of hunger, death. Millions of people died due to famine. But after getting independence,
We have seen that the death rate of people due to hunger death has reduced. So this is a great achievement. And today this COVID-19 should not bring one more situation like that what happened in British rule. So agriculture should be given the first priority along with education. Education and agriculture are the first importance, the first priority to be given. Those fields to be considered. Today's children are tomorrow's citizens. We never forget that. They are deserved for education. They are our loving kids. Now, 5 months has passed without any education for them. So, if we develop our kids, if we give right education for our kids, we can see golden future of our India. So, I am quite certain that all elders and everyone are going to think about our kids at this right moment. We are living in a digital India. Digital India, Power India is a very reality, a great reality. So many youth are benefited to work from home in this pandemic. Then why don't we use that for our kids? We can do it, but all are afraid of the vulgar sites that are displayed because of unminded clicks by our kids. Unminded kids. They don't know what to do and what not to do. So, can we stop that? When we do all this, can we stop that sites? We can do. So, whatever it be, we are having everything. E-crops, e-business, e-shopping, everything. Even e-sign we are having. Why don't we use that online education for our kids? We should use it. But I do remember one of my experiences from one of my students just the previous day. I want to share that with you. One of my students rang up to me and she asked me, "Mom, when is the school reopening?" And I told her that, why? Let us wait. It is not the right time to open school. You are satisfied with online education? No. Why then? No, Mom, I am not satisfied. She told me like that. Why, what trouble? What trouble you got? Mom, I want to see my friends. I want to come to school. I want to play with them. I want to chat with them. She told like that. Why? What made you to observe this much? I asked her. Her answer will wet anyone's eyes. She told me, "Mom, yesterday I went to play with my brother. My elder brother, I asked, Annaya, please spend some time for me. I want to play with you." "I want to play with you," she told. But because of busy online work at home, online duties, he scolded her. She was so sad. She told me this all. I don't want to tell you who is that student. And she went to her younger brother. "Hi Tamudu, shall we play sometime?" she asked. He was very busy with playing cell phones. He didn't agree. He's also scolded. And she told me, "Mom, I could ask my mom. She would agree. But because of all the household works, she was so tired and just then she sat for her online duties. How could I ask
They are getting mentally upset. So I don't tell you elders to open the school, but something, we have to think something, some alteration for our kids. So right education should reach to our kids, 5 months hour. So this is the time that we have to think about our kids. Education and agriculture should be given first priority. So at this juncture, I do take this opportunity to give gratitude to our soldiers. And many sleepless nights of our freedom, of our soldiers are being peaceful nights for every citizen of India. We are owed to their work. And the COVID-19 warriors, at the risk of their life, they are working for each and every one of us. So, we have to pay salute to them. COVID-19 warriors and also the soldiers. So finally, extending my gratitude and greetings of happy independence to one and all. I conclude, and let us all work for Atmanirbhar Bharat and Swatantra Bharat.